So on today's drive, what you'll see is lots of woods. There's also a lot of burned woods. I don't know how long ago that fire was. I also went through a section where it started snowing on me. So a bit of a late start. It's 10:44. It's rained all night long. I discovered I didn't do a good enough job sealing my new antenna. Small little leak. Not a big one, it's weeping. Born for the fact I saw it drip out of the corner of my eye, I wouldn't even notice it until I stepped on the wet carpeting at some point with my shoes off, I suppose. So about yesterday's drive. That's pretty good stuff, huh? What a beautiful day that was. If you didn't catch it, you have to go and check yesterday's video. That has some pretty sights. They're in northern Alberta, before I crossed over in British Columbia. That was really pretty sights out there. The game plan today is heading for Fort Nelson. There's a Bluebell RV park. I don't know what the costs are. I'm guessing they're all comparable, $35. We're kind of limiting our options here. Kind of have to hit towns on our way. But that's okay, it kind of limits my how long I'm going to drive in a day. And I've been pushing it, like yesterday was a little too far. But this one says 4 hours, 49 minutes, we'll call it 5 hours. I need a little bit time for the dog a couple of times. I need to get fuel. So 5.5 hours, 10:30 till almost 11, 4:30. I'll get there around just before 5. I'm all set up. It's a good one. Because making my videos takes me 3 to 4 hours. So that means by the time I get there and get all set up, I could potentially be done with the video at 10, 11 o'clock at night. Lately I've been doing a little too long and it's like 2 o'clock at night. I'm finally getting done with the videos. It's just, I'm not getting enough sleep that way. So I definitely need to shorten up my drive so I can get the videos done and get them out the next day. Like right now it's rendering the video that I just made from yesterday's drive. So I'm a little behind. Normally by this point I'm verifying that it loaded up to YouTube correctly and it looks good. And then I'll finally publish it, but we're behind today. One additional benefit though for taking off a little bit later today, I made my own coffee and filled them up with these Starbucks. So I don't have to stop necessarily for Starbucks. But I do need to get fuel. Wondering, that is in fact snow. Today we did 280 miles, if I remember correctly, from Mile Zero campground at Dawson Creek and got all the way up here to Fort Nelson at the Bluebell Hotel and RV campground. It's like $37 for the night, full hookups. So it's a Sunday afternoon, and so you can see there's not a whole lot of people here. Large parking lot in the back, pretty tight, but not a whole lot of people here right now. Then in front, it's also the gas station, diesel station. He's as happy as a dog rolling in the grass. So if you're tired of cat videos, latest TikTok dance teenager video or whatever else, you need to share my video, especially yesterday's. That was a really good one, I think. If you think it is too, then you should share it. Give it a thumbs up as well. Started off pretty cold, pretty rainy. Now we're here. This is stupid. I don't know what to say.